Okay guys, here is a 2 gig solid SSD. I'm trying to install this on my Spectre 360. I actually want to fix this myself because if it's I can easily install this. I'm not a phone repairer or anything, just want to try out if I can actually install this myself on my PC. So let's go. So I just have to purchase a set of screws, universal screws. Just want to check the fuse that will fit inside. I could just remove all the screws. There are one that already too much repairs, so I should try the bigger. Oh shit, it doesn't work. Okay, got one. Got another one. I'm literally pressing this deep down so it could screw because it's already worn out. Okay. This third one doing very well. I think we have a problem here. The screw is worn out already, so I just have to find the perfect one that can handle it up. And unfortunately, this is the biggest one, right? 30mm. This is the biggest one, so I guess I won't be able to actually open this up right now because I've run out of tools. Jeez. Okay. This one's coming off. Okay, another one's off. There's just a few of them left, so let me try out if I can just try to get it open. So I'm just trying to have to press this down harder. Okay, let's position this way so I could get a clear audio. Oh, okay, it worked. Just one remaining. Always stubborn. Okay, just one more remaining. I think I just have to change all these screws so it doesn't get stuck, because the one here are way worn out. Okay, sorry for the camera, I was zoomed in by mistake, so I just have to zoom out so I could get a full view for what I'm doing. I think this one is not coming off. It's stuck right inside. Oh god. Just this one remaining. So I think try to get inside. Oh. Because I have to try. I don't miss because this glue is not working. Oh. I'm so running out of tools, so I just have to try this flat. If you can actually just get it to spin, and of course it works. Okay, so next step with me trying to find how to crack this open. So I have to keep this vessel, keep the nuts and the screw in somewhere safe so I don't get to mix. Okay, nice and clean. So how do I open these? Okay, sure. I found somewhere I could just take this in and pop it open. This is very hard. Okay, here we go. Nice and easy. Gently undoing this so I don't get to bring some of the components inside. Take this right off. Give it somewhere safe. So I'm just have to locate the inbuilt SS drive. Okay, I think this is it. So I'm just have to take the newer to see which type. So I just have to take off this screw so just move the inbuilt SSD. Okay, so I just have to look for the perfect screw that will take this nut out in a minute. Oh god, I think I'm running out of tools again. Constantly to find the perfect screw to screw this plus screws. So I didn't find the perfect match, so I just have to try randomly if I could get to open this, and of course it worked. Okay, nice and easy, nice and slow. So you have to take it off gently. This is an 100 gig, so I felt it's not enough for me. I just actually got 2 terabytes instead. So just have to put this back in. Yes, I think it's facing downward. Okay, so I want to gently push this in, and tada, that is it. Okay, so should just pull back the nut. to secure it in place. Nice and slow. Oh. Oh, this actually gave me a hard time. It's like, what the fuck, dude? Just get inside, I could screw you. Oh Jesus, it's not working. So I just have to use my hand so it doesn't stick to the screw, because you have the screw have a magnet in it. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, it's a little stressful than I thought. Okay, got it. Nice and clean and easy. Oh. Okay. I think I did it right this time. Oh, here we go again. Oh, like I've spent less than 5 minutes trying to put this little piece of nut in place. Okay, I think now they got it. Okay, to press it down so it doesn't come off. So I just have to take a quick video of this so I can, for reference purpose. Okay. 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 Okay, so just I'm done. So I just have to install the back panel back. Okay, nice and easy. Okay, it's clip that. It's clip. That doesn't sound too good. Okay, clipped. I think it's in place. Okay, clip. Okay. Okay. Finally got it in place, so I just have to pull back the nuts so it can secure. Okay, nice. Okay, got it. Nice and easy. Two more to go. Just might have to put this right here. So I'm missing a couple of notes. I misplaced, I think, 2. Okay, put this in place. Okay, clean the installation is done, so I just have to check on turn on this, so go check if it worked fine. So I might just have to turn this on. Right. Yes. I think this is not turning on, so I just have to charge it. So I just have to plug the charger in if it could actually just boot up and I hope I didn't ruin my perfectly working laptop for stupid upgrade. Okay, so I just have to turn it on again if it actually worked. Nothing is happening. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Nothing. Oh, the ship is taking time, so we have to find the charger. Okay, I hope this worked. Nothing. Nothing. Holy shit. So I just have to turn this video off so I could just